In this video we will be focusing on the web development trends in 2025. Of course, the web development landscape is evolving at a breakneck pace. Based on the trajectory of current technologies, here are the top 5 web development trends you can't afford to ignore in 2025. 1. AI integration, from novelty to core utility. Artificial intelligence is moving beyond simple chatbots. In 2025, AI will be deeply woven into the fabric of web development, both in the building process and the user experience. What it is: using AI for code generation, like GitHub Copilot, creating dynamic and personalized content, powering advanced search, and automating complex user interactions. Why it's a trend: AI tools are becoming sophisticated enough to significantly boost developer productivity and create previously impossible user experiences. Websites will move from being static to being intelligent assistants. What to learn: familiarity with AI APIs, like OpenAI, prompt engineering for developers, and integrating AI-driven features like personalized recommendations, smart content summarization, and AI-powered analytics dashboards. 2. The rise of WebAssembly, WASM. WebAssembly is hitting its stride, enabling high-performance applications to run in the browser at near-native speed. What it is: a binary instruction format that allows code written in languages like C++, Rust, and Go to run on the web. This is a game-changer for performance-intensive tasks. Why it's a trend: we're seeing the emergence of full software applications, like photo and video editors, CAD tools, and complex games, that run seamlessly in the browser without the performance bottlenecks of JavaScript. What to learn: while you don't need to be a Rust expert overnight, understanding how WASM works and how to integrate WASM modules into your JavaScript applications will be a highly valuable skill. Look into frameworks like WASMPack. 3. Progressive web apps, PWAs, as the standard. The line between websites and native mobile apps will continue to blur. PWAs will become the default expectation for high-quality web experiences. What it is: websites that use modern web capabilities, like service workers, push notifications, and app-like UI, to deliver an app-like experience directly from the browser. They work offline, can be installed on a device's home screen, and are highly reliable. Why it's a trend: users demand fast, reliable, and engaging experiences without the friction of downloading an app from an app store. For businesses, PWAs offer a single codebase for all platforms, reducing development costs. What to learn: master the core tenets of PWAs, service workers for caching and offline functionality, web app manifests for installability, and strategies for creating app shell architectures. 4. Low-code/no-code platforms, for developers. This trend isn't about replacing developers but empowering them to build faster and collaborate better with non-technical team members. What it is: platforms that use visual interfaces and pre-built components to create applications with minimal hand coding. Think Webflow, Bubble, or Retool. Why it's a trend: the demand for software is outpacing the supply of developers. These platforms allow developers to automate repetitive tasks, build internal tools rapidly, and create prototypes in hours instead of days. What to learn: developers should view these as powerful tools in their arsenal. Learning to use and extend these platforms, through custom code or APIs, will make you more efficient and versatile. Understanding the principles behind them also makes you a better architect. 5. Enhanced performance and core web vitals as a ranking factor. Website performance is no longer just a nice-to-have, it's a critical business metric directly tied to user retention, conversion, and Google search ranking. What it is: a relentless focus on optimizing core web vitals, largest contentful paint, interaction to next paint, cumulative layout shift, and overall user experience. Why it's a trend: search engines, led by Google, are explicitly using page experience as a ranking signal. A slow website will be harder for users to find. Users themselves have zero tolerance for slow, janky websites. What to learn: deep knowledge of performance optimization techniques, image optimization, using modern formats like AVF, efficient caching strategies, minimal JavaScript bundles, using tools like Vite or TurboPack, and server-side rendering, SSR, or static site generation, SSG, with frameworks like Next.js, Nuxt, or SvelteKit. Honorable mention, monorepos and advanced tooling. The complexity of modern web projects, often involving multiple front-end and back-end services, is leading to the widespread adoption of monorepos, managing multiple projects in one repository, and next-generation build tools like Turborepo and Vite. These tools drastically improve build speeds and developer experience, making them essential for large-scale teams. In summary, the successful web developer in 2025 will be one who embraces AI, prioritizes performance and user experience, and leverages powerful new technologies like WebAssembly to build the next generation of web applications. That's all for today. Remember, like, share and subscribe button for more of this.